Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel today. I hope you are doing well. In today's video we're going to learn a simple crochet on how to make a spiral earring, and I hope you will love this. This earring can be used to pair a lot of dresses, especially during the summer days, outings, baby christening and all that, So I'm going to be using this yarn. It has two colors, so we're going to be using the two colors. First, you make your slip knot. You just make your knot and then you move on. I'm using a 3.0 mm hook, and then as you can see, we are about to start. So for the start, you're going to chain 15. So that's me on my second chain, third. So just follow me and then I'll see you at the end of my 15 chains. This earring is beginner friendly. Can be used, you can make it small for kids, big for adults, and anybody can slay with this earring. So after my 15, you just slip stitch to form a circle, and that's exactly what we're doing now. What we're going to do next is chain 1, and then you yarn over, pick, and then you pull through, and that's a half double crochet. You're going to do 23 of them, so 23 half double crochet. You yarn over, you pick, and then you just pull through. That's a half double crochet. So that's me on my third. I'll see you on the 23rd one, and then we can continue. Yarn over, go through the hole, and then you pull through. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comment sections. If you have any projects you want me to try, you can also put it in the comment section, and I'll try my best to make it for you. So nearly done with the 23 half double crochet. So on your 23rd one, after that is done, you just go through the last and then just a slip stitch. You pull through and then you pull through again, and then that's your slip stitch done. If you follow keenly, you should have something like this, very strong and cute. Now on our next, we are going to chain 3. You chain 3, that's me on my 1, 2 and 3. Then double crochet. So this is a full double crochet in the same hole. So a double crochet in the same hole. That's it. So that's a double crochet, and then so in this round, the trick here is a double crochet in every hole. That's 2 double crochet in every hole. That's what we are doing in this one. So 2 double crochet in every hole. So in every hole you just make your 2 double crochet. So like you see me do, once you go through one hole you make 2 double crochets. I think in my previous videos I've gone through a slower version of how to make double crochet, so just in case you're not familiar with it, you can go back to my previous videos and then get familiar with it, come back, and then we can continue. You can always come back to my channel. So that is me on my double crochet. I'll see you at the end. And then here we are, nearly at the end. You keep doing 2 double crochets in every hole. So at the end of the circle, like we did in the previous round, you just go through the last one and then slip stitch. Yeah, you just go through to slip stitch to make it neat, and you should have something like this at the end of your work. So in our next row we're going to chain 1, that's it, and then you go through the whole slip stitch. So like this, you have chain 1 already, you go through your first hole like I'm showing you. Oops,
there's not much to do.
Let's take it again. You chain 1, go through the first hole or the same hole, yeah, yarn over and slip stitch.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside
That's it.
you, I would.
So that is what we are doing for this round. Chain 1, you go through, slip stitch. Yes, you chain 1, you go through the hole like I'm doing, and then you slip stitch. So you just do the same till you get to the last end. You chain 1, you go through the hole, and then you slip stitch. I'll meet you at the end of this round 2, and then we'll do what's next. Yeah.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all.
So at the end of your work you should have something like this.
That you were safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
It's just to make the work beautiful, and then strong as well. Yes. So that's me on my last one. You slip stitch like you did in the previous one to secure the end, and that's it. You just cut the excess yarn off, go through, and then That's your yarn securely done. So with the excess yarn, you can just tie them, or just to make it invisible. So in the holes near, you can just go through like I'm doing, go through just to hide the yarn and to give your work a neat look. Yes, that's what is you're doing. Just go through to hide the yarn, the excess yarn. And this method also secures your work. You can't just cut it off at the bottom. Your work is easily, or can easily pull off. So you leave a bit of yarn and then you secure it before you cut it off, like you see me do. This is what you should have at the end. So like I said earlier, that's my first color done. I'm going to use this color. If you have any color of your choice, you can combine any color of your choice. So like we did for the previous one, we're just going to repeat the same method. So slip, you make your knot again, and then you chain 15. So you take it through just before you slip stitch. You take it through your previous project, and then you slip stitch, just like you see me do. Yeah. So in your first hole, just like we did for the previous one, you take it through the first hole and then you slip stitch. So that's exactly what we're doing. That's the only trick here. After this is done, you repeat the same method like we did for the previous one, and then your work is done and complete. So this is a trick. Now, like we did for the previous one, we're going to work our way throughout like we did for the So chain 1, you'll have double crochet, 23 of them. Chain 1, so these are the half double crochets, 23 of them, like we did for the other color. We do same for this color as well. So 23 half double crochets, and then at the end of it we slip stitch and we continue. So I'll meet you at the end. You chain 3 rather, you chain 3 and then your double crochet in the first hole. So double crochet, 2 double crochets, just like we did for the other color. 2 double crochet in every hole, 2 double crochet every hole till you get to the last end, and then you slip stitch. So that's me on the third round, like we did. You chain, you go through, and you slip stitch. You chain one, you go through, and you slip stitch till you get to the last end, and then you slip stitch as well. And that's it. I hope I try to explain this as simple as possible. You chain one, you go through, and you slip stitch. And that's a spiral earring, almost done, almost ready. You can combine any color of your choice, and I would love it if you post it or you share yours with me in the comment section. Yes, so at the end of it, just like we did, you try and hide the yarn and then cut the excess off just to secure your work. Now you go for your earring. Any place you prefer, you can go through any place you prefer. If you want the other color to be up, you can go through that side. Any color you want to be up, you can just go through it and then secure it just so it doesn't come off. And that's your earring, neatly done, ready for any occasion, ready for any party, anything at all. You can rock this and you will look very unique. Yeah, I promise you. So you do the same for the other ear and your earring is done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking by. Feel free to comment. Feel free to share your views. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.